Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important topic through which we will understand how we can create a diagonal gradient effect. Prior to this session, we discussed how to create vertical gradient effect, how to create horizontal gradient effect. So this session is in the continuation of the same, where we will talk about diagonal gradient effect. Okay. But before we start the discussion, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are connected with each other. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Because for time being, we are just focusing on the diagonal effect. But prior to that, we have discussed, and you should know about the basic thing like what is canvas, how we can draw the shapes on canvas, right? And how many types of gradient effect we can generate on a shape. So these all things, if you know, then it would be easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay, for now we will just focus on the diagonal effect. We'll see what all attribute we need to change in order to create a diagonal effect or diagonal gradient effect. Okay, so let's start the thing. And here you can see the code is straightforward. We have just noted down one title in the head section, and then there is one heading which is HTML by Sharmit. Now if you save it and refresh your browser, you will see the output is coming like this, HTML by Sharmit. Now what we will do here, we will simply create one heading first. So I'll write heading diagonal gradient effect on canvas API. Okay, so we are going to create a diagonal gradient effect on canvas API. Now to create canvas, what we will do, we will simply write here canvas. In canvas, we will provide ID as an attribute. Here I will use name as canvas1. You can select any name, it is up to you. Then we will set width and height. So width I will put like this, 600 pixels. Then we will set height. In height we will put it as 300 pixel, and then we will set some styling, because without styling, if you look at the code, it will show nothing, right? Because we have not added any border, and we all know that border is needed to at least find out like what is the working area. Okay, so here I'll write 5px solid black. So border is ready. Now if you refresh the browsers after saving the code, you will see that there is one canvas added. Okay, remember one thing, this is just a canvas, this is not a shape. In every session I clear this thing, because sometimes students get confused whether it's a canvas or it's a shape. So I want to just make it very clear that it is just a canvas, not a shape. Through on this canvas we will draw the shapes, okay, as per the requirement. But right now this is just a canvas. So once this thing is clear to you, then maybe you are good to start with the actual thing, which is how we can create a shapes on this canvas. Okay, so let's see how to create the shape. So to create the shape, we need a JavaScript. So here I'll write the JavaScript for it. Script. So firstly we will connect this canvas with the script. So for that we will write here script. Not like this. Okay, script is already created. Sorry, script is already created. So now it's time to connect this script with canvas. So for that we will write here where c equal, and here we will write document dot get element by id, and here in id we will write canvas1. Okay, then we will write here where ctx equal c dot get context. Here we will write 2d. Okay, so what this line will do, like first line is used to connect the canvas with this script, and we have stored it in c, variable c. Then we have created the ctx, which is nothing but a way to get all the tools related to two-dimensional area. Okay, so we have just got all those value. After that what we will do, we will create the gradient. Okay, and this time we want to create a gradient which is in diagonal effect. Okay, so let me put the comment here first. Create linear gradient diagonal effect. Okay, so now to create this diagonal effect, what we will do, we will write here const grad equal ctx dot create linear gradient, and now at the time of providing the start point and end point, like firstly I'm specifying the starting point of x-axis, which is 0, starting point of y-axis, which is again 0, and ending point of y-axis would be 280, and ending point of x-axis would be 280, and ending point of y-axis would be 130. So this is the thing which we have specified. Now if you have any confusion like how I am deciding these parameters, so maybe you can give a hit and try, because by doing that only we will be able to understand like how the things are going, because you have to manage and customize the thing accordingly, right? Fine, so we have created this const. Now it's time to use it. So I'll write grad dot add addColorStop, and in ColorStop we will write 0, red. Then we will write here grad add ColorStop 0.5, yellow. Grad add ColorStop 1, blue. So why I am selecting these color? So these are nothing but a stop color, which means a shape will be blend with these three color. In the initial part it would be red, in the middle part it would be yellow, and in the end of the shape it would be blue, but in a diagonal way. Okay, that is very important thing, because we have passed the coordinate accordingly. So in case of diagonal effect, we are using we are changing x2 and y2 value, and that's the main thing. Okay, fine. So once gradient is ready, it's time to use it. So I'll write here fill rectangle with gradient. Okay, rectangle with gradient. So to create a rectangle, we all know that we can use fill style for applying the gradient, and then fill rect we can use for creating the So I'll write ctx dot fill style. Here I'll use grad, which we have created just now, and then we will write ctx dot fill rect, and then the dimension would be 10, 10, 280, 130, 280, 130. So what it will do now, it will create a diagonal effect. Let's check if we have not made anything wrong here. Yes, something is not coming. That means something is wrong. Maybe any spelling mistake or case sensitivity issue, but something is wrong here. Let me change it to C. Yeah, so I was using the capital G, but as I mentioned, script is case sensitive, so please make sure if you are writing something, it should be in the same case. As I just show that if you are using capital G, it will show nothing. But if you are using small g, because same case we have declared, right? If you have used capital G here, then you can create then you can assign with a capital G, but you have not specified it, right? So in this case it will be coming like this, where the initial portion is red color, middle in yellow, and end in the blue, and you can see this is a diagonal effect. Clear? So this is how you can utilize the canvas. You can utilize the script in order to create a diagonal gradient effect on canvas. Okay, So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.